Hi friend, today we will discuss about lists in Python. Lists are just like dynamic sized array. Lists need to be homogeneous always, which make it most powerful tool in Python. A single list may contain data types like integer, string as well as object. Lists are mutable and hence they can be altered even after their creation. Here we are going to initialize a list. After printing it is showing empty because it does not contain any value. Next we are going to initialize a list which contains some value. This list contains mango, orange and grapes, 3 strings. We are going to print this list. So this is how this list is look like. We are going to access this list according to index. So L of 0 contains mango. L of 1 contains orange. If you are multiplying L of 1 with 2, it will print orange 2 times, or if we will multiply with 3, it will print 3 times. We are going to print range of length of a list. So this is how a range look like. We are going to access a list with the help of for loop. In this for loop we are using range. This is the output. Again we are going to use for loop without range. So this is the syntax. So you can use any for loop. Slice method to access list. Slice constructor creates a slice object representing the set of indices specified by range. Between this column, first one is start point and second one is end point. And here it is copying first list into another L1 list. So this is how it is copying. Here we are printing element between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 it contains orange. Between 1 and 3 it contains orange and grape. It does not include third element. -2 indicates it will print second last element of the index, and -1 is first last element of the list. So in the screen, as you can see, we are going to use some build function. First one is append. It will add element at the end of the list. So we are going to print this list, and here apple is added. Second inbuilt function is insertion. It will insert value according to the index number. So here we are going to insert lemon in the index 1. So we are going to print this list. So here lemon is already inserted and previous value is shifted to another index number, which is 2. Next one is index inbuilt function, which will return index number according to the value. So here the index number of orange is 2, as you can see in the screen. Here we are going to create another list which contains these variables. First one is tomato and another one is potato. We are going to perform some action with the both lists. First, we are using extend. Extend is used to add one list with another list. Means in first list, second list is added at the end of the list, as you can see in the screen. Second one is concatenation. This will use to add plus symbol, but it is not going to use permanently. It is used only to print the value. Next one is reverse. We are going to reverse L string. So this is how a string is look like after reversing. You can see in the screen. Next, we are going to use list comprehension. List comprehension provides a concise way to create list. It consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for clause, then 0 or more for or if clause. Here how it's look like. You can see. It is copying first list in the lst1 list. So here during printing it shows generator object. So we have to convert it into list format. After converting in list format, we will going to print it. This is how a list look like after using list comprehension. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please hit the like button.